What's up guys, Alex over here. It's been a while since the last time I made a video. Today I just came from the trail and I've been working on some things out. Actually, since the last time you saw me, or the last video that I recorded, I have lost almost 30 pounds. Look at me, look at me. I've lost almost 30 pounds in 6 weeks. And I just want to make a quick video because I have had my brother's bike for a while now. He told me take it home and do whatever you need to, because he says that the brakes are rubbing a little bit. So I'm just gonna do a little tune-up on that, but I'm gonna show you what the bike is. So let's get right into it. So yeah, it's been quite a while since I made a video. This is just gonna be like quite quick overview of what I have. I don't know exactly the geometry or anything like that. Let's learn together. So what we have over here is a Fuji Nevada. This is a 17-inch frame. It's a 29er, and you guys can recognize a lot of the components right here. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start at the rear. We have it is a cassette. It's a Shimano Dior XT, the older model, and it's a 9-speed, but it is a 3x. Okay, this is a 3x. I don't know the specs on the gearing or anything like that. These are Shimano crank arms. They're 175 crank arms, and they're Octalink. We have a front derailleur because this is a 3x. This is a 17-inch frame. I don't know the year exactly. I will say it might be around 2014, 2016, somewhere in there. And we have external cable routing. A lot of the components right here, they're oval saddle, oval seat post. I don't know the dimensions or anything like that. It's just a quick video. It's a 29er Nevada 1, and we have a stem. It seems to be pointed down. We have an oval handlebar. I don't know the dimensions or anything like that, but we do have lock-on grips. We have a remote for the SR Sun Tour XM 29er. I don't know anything about it. Well, I know it has a remote lockout and a preload. That's about it. It might be about a 80 to 100 millimeters travel. Not worried about that. And then we have the Shimano Alivio shifters at the front. Again, with the little windows, 1 through 9 and 1, 2, 3. What I do see though is hydraulic brakes. We have Tektro Surija, front and rear. That means we have 180 millimeters rotor at the front. The wheel set is a quick release at the front and a quick release at the rear. Let's see, the rear is, yeah, looks like 160. Let's see, yep, 160 millimeter rotor at the rear. And he has a little baggie right there. I don't know if he bought it like that, because he bought it used many years ago, like I said, at least in 2016, something like that. And then we have the Schwinn tires, and these are going to be 29 by 2.1. However, we do have a lot of clearance to go a little wider in this thing. Now, let me step back a little bit and let me show you something, because besides the rubbing on the brakes, we have a straight steer tube. However, this seems to look FSA headset. That's good components right here. I don't know if it's a seal bearing or non-seal, but it seems to be like a 44 to 44, so we can easily put an adapter here and get a taper fork in here to upgrade. Now, let me go ahead and glance at this thing. You tell me what you see is wrong. Yeah, go ahead and pause, go to the comments, tell me what you see is wrong in this thing, because I don't like it. Might work, but I really don't like it. There's a few things that I want to change in this thing. I have spare parts over here, but yeah, this jingle, I don't like it at all. So we're gonna have to do something about this. I don't like the way whoever did these brakes, I don't know if it came with hydraulics from factory or not, but look at this thing right here. It's just wrapped around. I mean, it is external cable routing, but the way they did it, Another thing I don't like is this drop on the stem. I have a few extra stems. I might put a little shorter one. I might put another handlebar in here because I have a lot of them extra laying around. So let me know what you guys think. If you have a bike like this, let me know what year is it, because I'm interested to know. A few things that I'm gonna do probably in the next video is go ahead and reroute these cables, these hoses, cut them if I need to, make it look a little more presentable. Of course, remove the reflectors, the torque disc, clean it up. If I can make it a 1x, if that is a 104, which might not be, if it is a 104, I might make it a 1x, but he will lose a lot of the gear, but he will lose also a lot of weight too because of the derailleur. And that front derailleur, oh, it is a Shimano. So that's a, I mean, it's a Shimano Dior XT. This is a 1x9. However, I don't think I can, and we have a brand, it's a SCHG 200-9. That's what the cassette is. That's a good thing that we have a cassette in this thing. Other than that, this is somewhere in the medium frame range, and it suits my brother. This is a few inches shorter than me. It suits him right, but I know we can do a lot of things with this bike, especially with this jingle me jingle right here that I don't like at all. And we're gonna make it better for him, and that's gonna be on the next video. So yeah, it's been a while since I made a video. This is just a quick video, hopefully little editing, because I haven't felt like editing much lately. But like I said, it's a lot that has been going on in my life lately, and you guys deserve to get the content. Hopefully it's good content, but if you like it, just let me know, encouraging words, whatever. And if you're in the Houston area, let me know. Maybe we can ride sometime. I have a lot of time now. But other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride.